Blupeak, formerly known as Wheelhouse Credit Union, is a member-owned financial institution that operates as a credit union. Unlike traditional commercial banks that focus on maximizing profits for outside shareholders, credit unions like Blupeak function on a cooperative model. This means that anyone who opens an account or secures a loan becomes a member-owner of the institution. Because of this structure, earnings are typically returned to members in the form of lower interest rates on loans, higher yields on savings accounts, and fewer or lower fees overall. When it comes to how Blupeak works, it functions similarly to a standard bank while maintaining community and member-focused values. To access their products and services, individuals generally must meet specific membership criteria, which are often tied to living, working, worshiping, or attending school in designated regions, or belonging to specific partner organizations. Once membership is established, customers gain full access to a comprehensive suite of financial services. On the retail banking side, Blupeak offers everyday essentials such as checking and savings accounts, certificate of deposits, and money market accounts. Their digital banking platform enables members to manage accounts remotely, deposit checks using a smartphone camera, transfer funds, and pay bills online. Additionally, they provide robust card management tools through their mobile application that let users track spending, analyze budgets, and temporarily freeze or unfreeze debit and credit cards for security. Beyond daily banking, Blupeak operates heavily in the lending and borrowing space. They provide various financing solutions designed to help members achieve long-term financial goals, including auto loans for purchasing or refinancing vehicles, boat and RV loans, student loans, and home mortgage options. They also offer specialized personal borrowing products such as signature loans, lines of credit, and solar financing for eco-friendly home upgrades. Ultimately, Blupeak works by pooling the financial resources of its member base to provide affordable credit, secure depository services, and personalized financial guidance. By cutting out traditional banking middlemen, the credit union model focuses heavily on keeping fees transparent and supporting the local financial well-being of its members. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.